I remember the time when I was in grade 6. We had a subject called Combined Science. The teacher was blabbering something related to living organisms and mammals, and I, as usual, wasn't paying attention. Personally, I used to dislike science a lot and used to go around the whole school asking each and every teacher, why do we study science?
Why do we even study science?
Different teachers used to give me different answers. Like, you need science
for you to enhance your own knowledge. Okay? Yeah. So what were we going to study today?
to get a good job in the future. You need science to score marks. You need science to learn new things. So I went to this one teacher who gave me a completely different answer. And his answer was, you need to study science to understand how the universe works. I asked him why, and he's like, if you understand the way the universe works,
it is going to solve all the questions in the universe for you.
And so I decided to make this video.
I think science is everywhere. Every action which takes place in universe has science as cause of its existence. You know, science is actually life, and science is a beautiful phenomenon in itself which could be appreciated if we know about it in detail. Any action which is happening around us, if we know why is it happening in this particular pattern or why is it happening in this particular way, we will be able to appreciate it. And science is medium of knowing our own environment and our own self. That's what I believe science is for us.
Knowledge which is based upon reason and fact. Well, science is everywhere, and much of the world today uses science for almost everything. Science is agnostic. It likes to believe that it is because of science that the world moves forward. It bases itself upon hypotheses which it proves, and therefore is based upon fact and reason. Science was certainly not invented. Science was discovered. What was invented was technology or gadgets which used science as their basis.
After the interviews, many questions raised in my head, like how do things work the way they work, or why are there so many different types of food available all around the world, or what's the difference between humans and animals. I didn't know the answers to any of these questions, and so I started searching. So I met Sahil a few months ago, and he seems to be a real science geek. So Sahil, our viewers here would like to know, what really is science?
Science is the answer to our curiosity. Have you ever wondered what's going on? How do events take place? Why is it so? If you have, then you're not alone. Scientists from all around the world ask questions, research, and conclude their observations to the world. Science can help us see the world in a way that has never been seen before. Like, who would have thought, how does everything tend to stay on the ground and not in the air? Why is Earth flat? Will there ever be an ice age again? Are we even evolving? Do gods even exist? Curious scientists like Sir Isaac Newton, Galileo Galilei, Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, and Albert Einstein were brave enough to find out the answer to these questions and present them to the world.
Now that I have gathered all the information I needed, I could conclude my theory. Here, watch this.
Science is the knowledge we get from asking questions. When you ask a question, you get an answer. sometimes way too many answers. These answers leading to one question make up a theory. Science can be majorly divided into three parts: physics, chemistry, and biology. Physics deals with all the types of matter in and beyond our universe. It tells us about how things work and why they work that way and gives us solid explanations. Chemistry deals with the reaction between two or more types of atoms combining to form a compound or mixture. It helps us understand how things are made and what they're made of. Biology is the study of all living things like plants, animals, and humans. All these three branches of science work together in even the simplest events that take place in our everyday lives that go unnoticed. For example, photosynthesis. The movement of air, the intensity of light, and the amount of water is calculated by using formulae that physics provides. The reactions that turn CO2 into oxygen during photosynthesis could be explained using chemistry. Biology deals with connection of the plant with the environment itself. It connects humans to nature.
All the things that we experience in our lives could be explained using science. From the food you eat, the clothes you wear, the laptop you use, to every action you make, every single breath you take, to every single human being that is alive on planet Earth today is because of science. Science is the answer to everything. You might hate studying science, but trust me, it will decide how your future will be shaped. And if you hate science to the core, do me a favor and just give it another go. Oh my god, I love